This is HOVERAir X1 Pro, and today I'll show how you can turn on or off the vertical shooting option on this drone. So in the beginning, you will need to pick up your mobile phone and launch the HOVERAir X1 application. Now indeed make sure that your drone is connected to the app and go into the hover section at the bottom. Next, tap on the Smart Preview to launch the manual flight controls, and here, well, open settings. Next, select the shooting settings section and look for the vertical shooting toggle, which you can enable in order to activate this feature respectively, or disable to do the opposite. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.